Okay, this is Prac with irepairMD. What I have in front of me is a cracked iPhone 4 back glass. Okay, on my eBay store I have the 4S GSM version, and today I'm going to show you how to change the broken glass and replace it with a new one. This particular one is an iPhone 4 CDMA, which is almost use the same glass format as the iPhone 4S. 4S model or the CDMA model glass, like this one, you can use on all 4S, whether it's Sprint, AT&T, Singular, T-Mobile, Verizon. This glass will fit it all. So I'm going to show you. What you need now is a pentalobe screwdriver right here. And what I'm going to do is take the screw out. See how easy it is? Just pull this out. Okay. Put the pentalobe screw in a nice place. Okay. And now push forward. Raise. Okay. That's it. All right. And what I have here is I only sell original OEM Apple iPhone 4 back glass. You'll see some for like $8 or $9, but this one's $15, the real deal. It's made from glass, and as you can see, the writing in here is sharp, and you'll get the lens, the light, the flasher, and the icon, the Apple emblem. Also, you have the antenna booster and the bracket. So to put this back on, you just go ahead and slide it halfway up. As you can see, the position right here, up a little bit. See? And now slide it in. That's it. And now just put your screw back into place. Okay. Use your pentalobe screw. Okay. Right there. Okay. Go ahead and put the screw in place. Pentalobe. That's it. All you have to do is now just use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, wipe the back glass, clean. There you go. Brand new iPhone 4 phone.